Hello children, welcome back to my class. In our previous class we have discussed about our second lesson, the big race. Here race is nothing but a competition. So there was a competition for the butterfly children. Who are those? That is Aussie, Claudette, Morpho. These are the characters in this story. But Aussie was very sad as there was no competitors in the race. Then what happened? Then Claudette appeared over there with Morpho. Claudette said to Aussie that Morpho will be participating in the race. Then Aussie laughed and said, Morpho, I can't race with him. He is so shy. Now, then afterwards, he thought that if I race with Morpho, then I can win easily. Then he had an idea and he will make him to race. Now let us see. Oh, it's so easy. All you have to do is to fly as fast as you can. Now Aussie is saying to Morpho that it is so easy, only you have to fly. That's it. Then don't stop for anything. The one who reaches, R-E-A-C-H-E-S, reaches, is nothing but arrives. The one who arrives the finishing line first is the winner. Explained, E-X-P-L-A-I-N-E-D, explained Aussie, O-S-S-I-E, Aussie, at the starting line. Now, the race began. Aussie shot off, S-H-O-T, shot, O-F-F, off. Shot off is nothing but moved or sped past something or someone quickly. Now, Aussie started moving very quickly at a fantastic speed, F-A-N-T-A-S-T-I-C. Fantastic is nothing but great speed. Who is with a great speed? Aussie. Then Morpho set off slowly after Aussie. Morpho was flying very slow. Morpho will never be able to beat me, laughed Aussie. Aussie said, ha ha ha, Morpho will never beat me. I will reach the finishing line in no time at all. Talk! All of a sudden, S-U-D-D-E-N, sudden, Aussie flew straight into a sticky spider's web. See children, as you can see here, Aussie flew straight into a spider's web. Aussie tried very hard to free himself, but he just could not. He dangled, D-A-N-G-L-E-D, dangled is nothing but hung loosely and dangerously from the spider's web. Dangerously, D-A-N-G-E-R-O-U-S-L-Y, dangerously from the spider's web, with no one to help him. Then he saw Morpho. Then Morpho was flying over there and he cried and said, help! Morpho, please help me. Please come and free me from this web. Now who is asking for help? Aussie. Yes, very good. Now Morpho said, but if I stop to help you, I won't win the race. However, H-O-W-E-V-E-R, however, when Morpho saw how upset Aussie was, he felt very sorry for him. Felt very sorry. It's nothing but very sad. He felt very sad for him. He knew he should stop and help Aussie even if it meant that he would lose the race. He knew that if he is going to help Aussie, that he will be losing the race. But he decided to help him. So he went to set Aussie free. Soon Aussie was free from the sticky web. S-T-I-C-K-Y, sticky web. Now, you can hurry off and win the race, said Morpho. H-U-R-R-Y, H-U-R-R-Y, hurry. Who is saying to hurry off? Morpho is saying to Aussie, come on, hurry and win the race. The crowd waited excitedly, E-X-C-I-T-E-D-L-Y, excitedly, to see who would win the big race. Soon, they saw Aussie and Morpho flying across the finishing line. Now the crowd was seeing that who will be winning the race. They saw that Aussie and Morpho are coming together hand in hand. It's a draw, they shouted. It's a draw is nothing but a game or match in which no one wins or loses is a draw. Here no one is winning and no one is losing. They shouted. No, it is not, cried Aussie. Aussie cried and said, Morpho is the real winner today. He showed me that it is better to win a friend than win a race. Now, Aussie said that Morpho is the real winner because he helped me. Then, what would you have done if you were Morpho? So, children, come on, answer me. What you will do if you are Morpho? Will you help to your friend? Yes, we have to help our friend. Now, that was the story of our second lesson. Now, who is the real winner here? Yes, very good. Morpho is the real winner today. Okay, now let us come for the textbook bit part. Tick the correct answers. Why was the big race about to be cancelled? Why it was going to be cancelled? It was raining, the competitors did not arrive on time, or the competitors had dropped out of the race. Yeah, C option is correct because the competitors dropped out of the race. Second, why did Aussie laugh at Morpho? Why Aussie laughed at him? Morpho looked funny or Morpho was very shy and Morpho had shared a joke with him. B option is correct. Morpho was very shy. Next, third one. What was Aussie thinking when he shot off at a fantastic speed? He thought, now what he thought? That Morpho would never be able to catch up with him, or that Morpho would soon catch up with him, or that Morpho would win the race easily. A option is correct, that Morpho would never be able to catch up with him. Fourth one, who reached the finishing line first? Both of them reached it together. Yeah, very good. Now fifth one, what does the story The Big Race teach us? Yes, it is important to take part than to win, or it is better to win a friend than win a race, or it is better to lose a friend than lose a race. Yes, option B is correct. It is better to win a friend than win a race. Okay, children. Now, Bibit, read these lines and answer the questions. First one, what a great idea. Who said these words? Can you say? Yes, very good. Aussie said these words. Now, second, what was the idea and who gave it? Yes, the idea was that Aussie himself could take part in the race, and it was given by Claudette. Next, second, help, cried Aussie. Why did Aussie cry for help? Because he was stuck in a spider's web and could not get away. Okay, C-bit. Answer in detail. How did Aussie and Morpho end up race against each other? Yeah, they said that competitors had dropped out and Claudette said that Aussie could take part in the race. So, Aussie said that no one is going to participate in the race. Then, Morpho is against him. Who is him here? Claudette. Then Aussie felt that he could easily beat Morpho and win the race. So he forced him to take part. This was how Aussie and Morpho ended up racing against each other. Next one. Second, what happened after Aussie got stuck in the spider's web? He shouted for help to Morpho and he helped him, and they both together flew the finishing line together. Okay children, so D and E bit is not necessary, so that was cancelled. That was the part of textbook. Remaining will be in the next video. So till that time, take care. Bye bye.